A Montrose man fought the law, and today he won. This all stemmed from an incident last October where police had ticketed a man for swearing at them.
This morning, a judge dismissed the case after concluding what the man said was constitutionally protected freedom of speech. Kevin Vaughn from 9 News Investigates brought us this story last month. He joins us now. And Kevin, it sounds like this might not be the end, though, here.
Well, Kim and Tom, now that this criminal case has been dismissed, the man's attorney has promised to file a federal civil rights lawsuit. It was a stolen car case that could have been most memorable for the discovery of a sex toy.
I'm so sorry.
Could have been if Josh Smith hadn't shown up and voiced his displeasure that police cars made it tough to get into the drive-thru lane at Humdinger's.
When I said what I said, and then I thought it was over with.
It wasn't.
Quit yelling or you're going to get a citation, understood?
And after round two,
They said nobody could get through the drive-thru for a half an hour.
that officer made good on his promise, ticketing Smith for making an obscene gesture.
Not signing anything.
That was later amended to interfering with police. Wednesday morning, the judge called Smith's behavior immature, offensive, and unnecessary, but also said it was free speech protected by the First Amendment. Bottom line, the interference charge was unconstitutional as applied in this case based on these facts.
I pretty much knew that we would win. I just didn't. I thought it would be like I thought it was going to actually have to go to trial.
That trial had been set for next week in Montrose Municipal Court. The question now is whether Smith will sue the city in federal court. The biggest question for the judge was ultimately whether Smith interfered with the work of those officers. In the ruling, the judge noted that the other officers were not prevented in searching that vehicle and doing the other things they were doing there. In the meantime, Smith's attorney has said he will sue Montrose for violating his constitutional right to free speech. We'll report on that if and when it happens. Live in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
Like you said, it started out one way, and then all it took was him engaging here. And again, what was the citation?
He was originally charged with making an obscene gesture that later was changed to interfering with police. But the judge said he did not interfere with the work they were doing.
Right, he was just expressing himself. Okay, all right, thank you, Kevin.